Welcome to Heritage Safety Training Center, Dubai. Today we have another interesting topic about heart attack awareness for all health-conscious individuals. Heart attacks are a leading cause of death worldwide. They occur when blood flow to the heart is blocked by a buildup of fat, cholesterol, and other substances. This buildup forms plaque, which can rupture and cause a blood clot. Heart attacks are a serious medical emergency. Call 999 or your local emergency number immediately if you suspect one. Early treatment improves survival chances and reduces complications. Lower your risk by eating a healthy diet, exercising, and managing health conditions. Understanding heart attacks helps you take steps to protect your heart health. Our lifestyle choices play a significant role in our overall health, particularly our heart health. Smoking is a major risk factor for heart attacks. It damages the lining of your arteries. Quitting smoking is crucial for your heart health. Physical inactivity is another risk factor. Exercise strengthens your heart. Aim for at least 30 minutes of exercise most days. Obesity strains your heart and increases health risks. Losing weight can significantly improve heart health. Healthy lifestyle choices reduce heart attack risk. It's never too late to start improving your heart health. Lack of sleep and poor dietary choices are often overlooked but are crucial contributors to heart health. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol. Cortisol can raise your blood pressure and blood sugar levels, both of which are risk factors for heart disease. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. What you eat also directly impacts your heart. A diet high in saturated and trans fats can raise your cholesterol levels, increasing your risk of heart disease. Limit your intake of these unhealthy fats. Instead, opt for heart-healthy fats like those found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil. A diet high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is good for your heart. These foods are low in saturated and trans fats and high in fiber, which can help lower your cholesterol levels. The weight of stress. A heavy burden on your heart. Stress is an unavoidable part of life, but chronic stress can take a toll on your heart. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can increase your heart rate and blood pressure. Over time, this can damage your arteries and increase your risk of heart attack. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is essential for heart health. Regular exercise, relaxation techniques like deep breathing, yoga, and spending time with loved ones can all help reduce stress levels. If you're struggling to manage stress on your own, don't hesitate to seek professional help. A therapist can teach you coping mechanisms and help you develop stress reduction strategies. Recognizing the warning signs. Early symptoms of a heart attack. Knowing the early signs and symptoms of a heart attack could be life-saving. Chest pain is the most common symptom of a heart attack. It is often described as a feeling of pressure, tightness, or squeezing in the chest. This pain may spread to your arms, back, neck, jaw, or stomach. Shortness of breath is another common symptom, even if you haven't been exerting yourself. You may also experience cold sweats, nausea, or lightheadedness. If you experience any of these symptoms, don't wait to seek medical attention. Early intervention is key to increasing the chances of survival and minimizing damage to the heart. Knowing what to do is essential during heart attack incidents around us. Learning first aid skills may significantly increase the chances of survival during heart attack. To learn first aid and life-saving skills, please contact Heritage Safety Training Center, Dubai. Please visit their website www.heritagesafetycenter.com for further details. Thank you for listening and have a safe day.